Guard duty, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, guard duty. It's a term you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversation. Let's get started and learn what it means and how you can use it. Guard duty refers to the responsibility of watching over a particular area or person to ensure their safety and security. It is a term often associated with the military, where soldiers take turns standing guard. However, it can also be used in civilian contexts. The concept of guard duty has been around for centuries. It's a task that has been essential in ensuring the safety of territories, royal families, and important facilities. Understanding its historical significance can give us a deeper appreciation of the term. Now, let's see how to use guard duty in a sentence. This will help you grasp how it's applied in different scenarios and might be useful in your own conversations or writing. There are several variations and related phrases to guard duty that are worth knowing. This can help expand your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the concept of guarding or watching over something. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson on guard duty. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what guard duty means and how you can use it. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure.